Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is an eye video and we are going to be testing out the Naked Honey palette from Urban Decay. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this eye look using this palette, stay tuned. I hope that this video is not as dark as it looks in the monitor. I had to turn the ISO down in order to try and alleviate that noise. I don't think it's gotten rid of the noise, and when I looked it up on YouTube to see how to get rid of the noise, basically it said buy a new lens, and I just bought a new lens. So this one was a refurbished one. I think it was refurbished. I don't know. It was used. That's what it was. It was used, but it was gently used, and it looks great. It works great, except of the noise. That is unacceptable. I can't live with that. So, but we'll see how it looks when I edit this video to see if it's as dark as I think. And the flashing of the lights, they're not flashing. I don't know what that's about, because when I look behind me, they're not flashing at all. When I look in the monitor, it's got them twinkling. So I don't know what that's about either. I don't like it. Anyway, moving on to the makeup. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with my Essence Eye Base. And just put this all over the lid. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the lightest color. Oh, they have names. Is Flyby right here. And I'm just going to dust that over what I just put on. I don't even know. I haven't even looked at this palette. I got it because somebody said, would you do this? And I thought, well, heck yeah, I will. Wow, it's really powdery. I only have one other Urban Decay palette. Well, I had another one, but it became unavailable, so I gave it away because if you can't get it, I don't need to show you it. Okay, let's see. What are we going to do today? I think we're going to go for kind of a neutral nudie eye today, because we're going to be doing this palette for a couple weeks because there's a lot of colors in here and it costs a lot, so we need to try them all out. So, but today we're going to go, I think maybe I'll even use their little brush that came with it. And I'm going to go into, I'm wearing yellow, so I think I'm going to go into this color, I don't know why I took my glasses off, Swarm, right here, and use that for my transition color. Oh, it looks very yellow now. Wow. Oh well, we're going to go super yellow. Well, it blended out really well. It was only super yellow for a minute. See, it's much better now. I have to remember not to get so much because it's very powdery and very pigmented, but it blends out really well if you get too much, as you just saw. All right, I think that's enough. Clean this brush off a little bit, so I'll use it again for more colors. Now I'm going to go into I think I'm going to go into this brown one down here. This, that's right, they have names. Drip. Right here. And I'm just going to put this in the crease. I'm going to start in the outer corner in case it's really dark. It's not. It's perfect for the crease. Okay, now I think I'm going to go in with this even darker color, the last one, which is Sting. I can see it. In that same brush, this is the one that came with it, and just put this in the outer V. Now I'm going to take, did I show you what Sting looked like? Sting was the darkest color. And now I'm going to take the color right next to it, which is, I don't know, it says HBIC. Does that mean anything to you guys? Because it doesn't to me. I don't even know how to say it. Anyways, second one to the last. And I'm going to put it on my finger. And it's very coppery. Well, maybe I'll use this bright yellow one. What do you think? Yellow or bronze? I think I'll use the yellow one, which is honey. Oh yeah, we'll use the honey. Since I'm wearing a yellow shirt. And I'm just going to put that, I'm going to start in the middle and see how that works. It's beautiful. It's not going on with my finger very well because my finger doesn't get in there very well. So let's just go in with this brush and see how that works. See if I can get in here where I'm not getting with my finger. It's pretty, but I think it needs some spray. So let's just use some of this. Oh yeah, wetting it, that's the ticket. It didn't work very well on that Natasha Denona, but it's working on this. Okay, now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that dark brown and just blend it a little bit. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and go around the edges. Blend everything together beautifully, just like that. I think it turned out pretty good for sparkly yellow. Not a lot of fallout. Where's my, there it is. Little tiny bit in the corner is all. So I think what I'll do is I will take my highlight that I used and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Can't see it. Okay, maybe I will take my Strobe highlight, not the one I just used, but one I'm gonna use, from my Tarte Pro Glow palette. I do wish my camera would stop making noise. Maybe it's just that that glitter is so glittery, it makes my highlight look like it's not even there. Okay, now we're going to push line, and I'm going to use brown today because everything is so browny goldy for my push lining. And I'm just coloring between my lashes with this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Tattoo gel liner. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and go back and forth and just smudge that so that it will spread out between the lashes so there's no skin showing. And then I'm going to take my brown rollerball roller liner from Benefit and make a wing. Now I'm going to go off camera, do my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is our final look for the day. All I did was, I did my lashes. I used my So Fierce from Revlon and my Lash Princess False Eyelash Effect for my mascaras. I put on this, I curled them, put on this, curled them, put on this, curled them, put on this. That's how I always do it with these. And as you can see, it works pretty good. Okay, what else? Oh, I put on lipstick. For my lipstick, I used my, I got another one of these crayons from Stay, Maybelline Super Stay ink crayon. This one is in the color Enjoy the View. And then I used my L'Oreal Glowing Lip Gloss in Shall We Dance on top. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!